Hey guys, welcome back to Storytale Cakes, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a super trendy, Instagram worthy number cookie cake. So this is with mascarpone frosting and just a basic cookie recipe decorated with some macarons, roses, strawberries and delicious goodness. This video is also in collaboration with my friend Charity from The Lovely Baker, so she makes amazing cakes. Be sure to check her out. I'll put it in the I box up there or description box below. She's going to be doing the novelty version of this number 2 cake. And guess what guys, we reached 5,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe it's 5,000. It really means so much to me because last year there was 900 of you guys watching and I was so grateful, and then this year we have 5,000. Seriously, you guys watching my videos, holy sh okay, I was gonna say holy shit, but I'm just so grateful, and I'm gonna be doing giveaways soon to show my gratitude. Stay tuned for the next coming videos. Just comment below what you think I should do for the giveaway as well, because I need some ideas on what you guys would like for the giveaway. And without further ado, let's bake a story. To start off making our cookie dough recipes, you'll only need 5 ingredients. So I have here 3 cups of plain flour. I've got 200 grams of unsalted butter. You can even use salted if you prefer your cookies being more salty, but I prefer unsalted. And here I've got 1 cup of caster sugar, which is the finer sugar, 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract just for flavor, but if you prefer the buttery taste, you can omit that as well. First step is to add in your butter. Make sure it's at room temperature and just cut it up so it's easy to mix. Then add in 1 cup of caster sugar. The first step is to cream the butter and sugar together. Now it's really important that you don't overmix it because it's going to create too much air in the mixture. Too much air will cause the batter to rise and then fall, so you just want to mix it for even 20 seconds so it's nice and cream. Then add in your 1 egg and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add in your flour, and then just use a spatula to fold the flour into the mixture. Put on some gloves and we're going to mix it together. So right now you can see it's not really coming together, but as you do this, it would eventually come together. So put your cookie dough on top of a baking paper and take another piece of baking paper and apply it on top. So here I have an enlarged number 2. All I did was just go on Google and type number 2 and just enlarged it. You can find any alphabet you want as well, of course. Then what you want to do next is just take off the baking paper. This is the satisfying part. I love this part. It's just something satisfying about pulling away the baking paper. So let's give you guys a quick zoom for it. Satisfaction. Is it just me? Let me know in the comment below. So making sure I'm putting this the right way because I was gonna do this way. So let's put it down. I'm just gonna trim down the baking paper so I can fit it onto the tray. Obviously if your baking tray is long enough, you don't need to do this. So once you're done, do it again so you get 2. No pun intended because it's actually a number 2, but you know what I mean, you do the number 2 twice. And then what you want to do is fridge it for at least 30 minutes, because if you don't fridge it, you'll find that your cookies spread more in the oven. The science behind it is pretty much the butter. When it's cold, it takes a longer time to spread, whereas when it's warm, then it will spread faster, making your cookie appear larger. After your cookie has been chilled in the fridge for a good 20 minutes and it's nice and firm, you can now place it in the oven. Make sure to preheat your oven for at least 15 minutes to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and then place it in the oven for 9 to 12 minutes depending on how your oven works. And for our cookie filling, we're going to use some mascarpone frosting. I don't want to use buttercream or any other frosting because I think it's a bit too sweet with cookie, and I think mascarpone is the perfect balance for this. We simply only need 4 ingredients. What we're going to start off is with 250 grams of mascarpone. You can use any brand. I really just found anything in the supermarkets, Open this up. Oh, fail. Do you guys hate it when that happens? Why don't they have that tab? They don't have that little tab thing where you can just open it up. Oh my god. 250 grams of mascarpone, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So it only should take about 2 minutes to whip all that together. But the next step is we're going to add in 1 cup of thickened cream. Or you might call it whipping cream in a different country, but in Australia it's just called thickened cream. Mix it for 4 to 5 minutes and don't over mix it. Once soft peaks form, you know you're ready, and that should only take 5 minutes. So this is the texture you want for the mascarpone. Mascarpone. Did I say mascarpone? I called this mascarpone, and I've been calling it mascarpone for a long time until I recently found out it was called mascarpone. So this is mascarpone frosting, and you don't want to overmix it, because if you overmix it, it then becomes a bit grainy. This is actually the perfect texture for it. So once you get it like this, see how it's nice and soft? Don't overmix it. When you overmix it, you can start seeing like lumps in it, but if you spread it over here, you don't really see any lumps, and you know it's good to go. It only literally took me 5 minutes to whip it up after mixing the first 3 ingredients, so I would say stop at 5 minutes, test it, see if it's giving you like that nice dirty texture. Just grab it, and if it's not falling off, then you know it's ready, but make sure you haven't overmixed it as well. This is just some troubleshooting, but if you have accidentally overmixed it and you can see it being like grainy and all that, just add in a little bit of thickened cream and it will like fix the texture. Totally optional step, but I think if you add a bit of gold luster dust, it really makes the macarons pop and look elegant. Really important step is to add some white chocolate to prevent your cookie from sliding. Now it's time to dress our number 2. So I'm just using a large round piping tip, and in a horizontal motion, I'm just going all the way across the number 2. I recommend using a spatula to help place the second number on top, and if your cookie does happen to snap, I recommend just using some white chocolate to stick it together, and plus once you pipe it, you can't see it anyway. Add in some strawberries, some macarons, and I'm using some artificial flowers because I think it's a bit more safer than using real flowers, which can have the chance of leaking water, and then just pipe in some dots with an open star tip. So that's a wrap for our super trendy cookie cake that is such Instagram worthy. So if you do happen to make it, remember to hashtag Storytale cakes. And also remember to check out the lovely baker's video. I'll put it in the description box below. She's going to be making the novelty version of this. And thank you so much once again for 5,000 subscribers. I seriously still can't get over it. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy the next tutorial that I'm going to release. So remember to hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you guys soon.